Have you ever wondered if the spare change in your pocket could be worth a fortune? Imagine finding a rare 20 pence coin that could make you a millionaire overnight. In this video, we're diving into the incredible story of the 2016 UK 20 pence coin, a hidden treasure that's turning heads in the coin collecting world. Could you be sitting on a coin worth millions without even knowing it? Stay tuned, because this could be your ticket to unimaginable wealth. Have you ever wondered if the spare change in your pocket could be worth a fortune? Imagine finding a rare 20 pence coin that could make you a millionaire overnight. In this video, we're diving into the incredible story of the 2016 UK 20 pence coin, a hidden treasure that's turning heads in the coin collecting world. Could you be sitting on a coin worth millions without even knowing it? Stay tuned, because this could be your ticket to unimaginable wealth. 2001 United Kingdom 20 pence coin has recently gained attention among collectors, with rumors suggesting that certain rare versions of this coin could be worth a staggering fortune. While the standard 2001 20 pence may seem like an ordinary piece of change, there are intriguing reports of rare errors and unique variations that could turn this humble coin into a multi-million-dollar treasure. For those fortunate enough to discover one of these rare pieces, the potential value could be life-changing, a true example of hidden wealth waiting to be uncovered. What makes the 2001 20 pence coin particularly exciting is the possibility of minting errors that occurred during production. The Royal Mint produces coins in vast quantities, and while precision is key, mistakes can sometimes slip through the system. Reports suggest that a small number of 2001 20 pence coins may have been struck with misaligned dies, double strikes, or even mismatched designs. These rare errors make certain coins extremely desirable in the numismatic community, with collectors willing to pay thousands, or even millions, to secure these valuable pieces. One rumored variation of the 2001 20 pence coin that sparks particular excitement is the possibility of an undated version, similar to the famous undated 20 pence coins from 2008. If a 2001 undated 20 pence coin exists, it would be an extremely rare find, as date errors are incredibly uncommon. Coins with missing dates are highly prized by collectors because they represent rare mistakes that are unlikely to happen again. Such coins become instant treasures, capable of commanding sky-high prices in major auctions. The standard 2001 20 pence coin follows the familiar 7-sided, heptagonal, design that has defined the denomination since its introduction in 1982. Made from cupronickel, an alloy consisting of 75% copper and 25% nickel, the coin has a silver-like appearance and weighs approximately 5 grams, with a diameter of 21.4 millimeters. Its unique shape and size make it easy to identify, but rare error versions may feature slight distortions, misaligned details, or unusual markings that set them apart. On the obverse side, the 2001 20 pence coin features the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. This elegant design presents the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a highly recognizable symbol on British coinage. The reverse side, designed by William Gardner, showcases the iconic Tudor rose, a powerful emblem of England's heritage. This classic design remained in use on 20 pence coins until 2008, when the Royal Shield design replaced it. The true thrill surrounding the 2001 20 pence coin lies in the possibility that some of these rare variations are still undiscovered. Many of these coins could be hidden in forgotten coin jars, old wallets, or tucked away in personal collections. The idea that a simple 20 pence coin from 2001 could be worth millions has sparked a wave of excitement among collectors, encouraging people to search their change in hopes of uncovering a life-changing treasure. For those who believe they may have a rare 2001 20 pence coin, expert verification is essential. Reputable coin grading services such as NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, or PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, can authenticate your find, confirming its rarity and establishing its market value. Coins with verified minting errors or unusual characteristics can sell for extraordinary sums, with elite collectors eager to pay top dollar for these elusive treasures. In conclusion, the 2001 United Kingdom 20 pence coin has become a fascinating mystery in the world of rare coin collecting. Whether due to minting errors, undated strikes, or misaligned designs, certain rare examples may hold unimaginable value. For those passionate about numismatics or simply hoping to strike gold in their pocket change, the search for one of these rare 20 pence coins is an adventure filled with excitement and potential fortune. So, before you overlook that ordinary coin in your collection, take a closer look. You may be holding a piece of hidden wealth that could change your life forever. The 2003 United Kingdom 20 pence coin has gained significant attention in the coin collecting world, with collectors speculating that rare variations could be worth an extraordinary fortune. While the standard 2003 20 pence coin is a common piece of British currency, certain rare versions, especially those with minting errors, are believed to hold immense value. For those fortunate enough to discover one of these rare coins, the financial reward could be life-changing, potentially turning an ordinary find into $1 million treasure. One of the most intriguing aspects of the 2003 20 pence coin is the possibility of minting errors that occurred during production. The Royal Mint produces millions of coins each year, but in rare cases, errors can result in coins with unique flaws. Some collectors believe that a limited number of 2003 20 pence coins may have been struck with mismatched dies, off-center designs, or missing details. These mistakes can dramatically increase a coin's value, as error coins are highly sought after by serious collectors. One rumored variation linked to the 2003 20 pence coin involves a potential undated version, a mistake that famously occurred with the 2008 20 pence coins. If an undated 2003 20 pence coin were discovered, it would be considered incredibly rare and valuable. Coins without a visible date are exceptionally rare and often become prized possessions for collectors. Due to their unusual nature and historical significance, such coins can sell for thousands or even millions, depending on their rarity and condition. In terms of specifications, the 2003 20 pence coin follows the traditional seven-sided, heptagonal design that has defined this denomination since its introduction in 1982. The coin is composed of cupronickel, a durable alloy consisting of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it a silver-like appearance. It weighs approximately 5 grams and has a diameter of 21.4 millimeters. While these specifications remain consistent, rare error coins may display slight variations in weight, alignment, or design features, making careful inspection crucial. The obverse of the 2003 20 pence coin features the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. This portrait presents the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a design that appeared on British coinage from 1998 to 2015. The reverse side of the 2003 20 pence coin features the iconic Tudor rose design by William Gardner, a symbol of England's rich heritage that remained a key feature on 20 pence coins until the Royal Shield design replaced it in 2008. What makes the 2003 20 pence coin so captivating is the possibility that rare error versions may still be circulating unnoticed. Many collectors believe that these elusive coins are hiding in old change jars, wallets, or coin collections, waiting to be discovered. The excitement of uncovering a rare coin with immense value has inspired countless people to search through their coins, hoping to find a hidden treasure that could change their fortunes overnight. For those who believe they may have a rare 2003 20 pence coin, authentication is essential. Coin grading services such as NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, or PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, can professionally assess and certify your coin's authenticity, condition, and potential value. Verified error coins, especially those featuring undated designs or unique minting flaws, can fetch astronomical prices in the collector's market, with passionate buyers eager to secure these rare pieces. In conclusion, the 2003 United Kingdom 20 pence coin holds a special place in the world of numismatics. While most examples may seem ordinary, the possibility of rare minting errors, undated versions, or unique design flaws has turned this coin into a sought-after treasure. For those interested in coin collecting, the 2002 United Kingdom 20 pence coin has sparked considerable interest among collectors, with rumors that certain rare versions could hold extraordinary value. While the standard 2002 20 pence may seem like an ordinary piece of change, stories of rare minting errors and unique variations have created excitement, in the numismatic world. For those lucky enough to stumble upon one of these rare coins, the financial reward could be staggering, potentially worth millions and turning the owner into an overnight millionaire. The fascination with the 2,220 pence coin largely stems from the possibility of minting errors, which are rare yet highly valuable in the world of coin collecting. When errors occur during the minting process, they can result in coins with misaligned designs, missing details, or mismatched elements. Some collectors believe that a small batch of 2,220 pence coins may have been struck with these types of errors, making them incredibly rare and valuable. Error coins are particularly prized because they are accidents, anomalies that add uniqueness and historical significance. One rumored error linked to the 2,220 pence coin is the potential existence of an undated version. This error, famously seen in the 2008 undated 20 pence coins, occurs when the obverse and reverse dies are mismatched, resulting in a coin without a visible date. If any undated 2,220 pence coins were accidentally struck and released, they would become instant treasures in the collector's market, fetching enormous prices due to their extreme rarity. In terms of design and specifications, the 2,220 pence coin follows the traditional seven-sided, heptagonal shape that has been a hallmark of the 20 pence denomination since 1982. The coin is made from cupronickel, an alloy consisting of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it a durable, silver-like appearance. It weighs 5 grams and has a diameter of 21.4 millimeters. While these details are standard, collectors are encouraged to inspect their coins closely for irregularities such as differences in weight, unusual markings, or misaligned designs that may signal a rare error. On the obverse side of the 2,220 pence coin is the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, created by Ian Rank Broadley. This design shows the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a symbol of British royalty that was widely recognized on coins during this period. The reverse side of the coin features the iconic Tudor rose design by William Gardner, an emblem deeply rooted in English history. This classic design was used on 20 pence coins from 1982 until 2008, adding to the coin's timeless appeal. The potential value of rare 2,220 pence coins stems from their uniqueness and the excitement surrounding their possible existence. Collectors are constantly searching through old coin jars, wallets, and collections, hoping to uncover a rare gem that could be worth a fortune. Stories of people discovering rare coins in their everyday change have inspired many to take a closer look at their loose coins, knowing that one special find could bring unimaginable wealth. For anyone who believes they may have found a rare 2,220 pence coin, professional verification is essential. Trusted coin grading services such as NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, or PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, can authenticate your coin, assess its condition, and confirm its rarity. Authenticated error coins, especially those with date errors, striking flaws, or mismatched design. The 1999 United Kingdom 20 pence coin is a fascinating piece in the world of coin collecting, and while the standard version may seem ordinary, there are compelling rumors and speculation about rare error versions that could hold extraordinary value. Some collectors believe that a limited number of these coins may have been struck with rare minting errors or unique features that make them incredibly desirable. Such rare coins are known to reach astonishing prices in the numismatic market, with potential values that could turn an ordinary individual into a millionaire overnight. The excitement surrounding the 1999 20 pence coin is largely driven by the possibility of minting errors. The Royal Mint produces millions of coins annually, and although precision is key, occasional mistakes can slip through. These rare errors, such as off-center strikes, misaligned dies, or missing details, can turn a simple coin into a valuable treasure. Coins with such flaws are considered rare anomalies, making them highly prized among collectors. If a rare 1999 20 pence coin with these characteristics exists, its value could soar to incredible heights. One particularly exciting theory involves the potential existence of an undated 1999 20 pence coin. This type of error famously occurred with the undated 20 pence coins from 2008, where a mistake during production resulted in thousands of coins missing their date. If a similar error had occurred in 1999, it would be considered even rarer due to its earlier date, making it a highly sought-after discovery. Undated coins are especially valuable because they defy the traditional rules of coin design, adding a unique historical element that drives collector demand. In terms of specifications, the 1999 20-pence coin follows the classic heptagonal, seven-sided, shape that has been a signature feature of this denomination since its introduction in 1982. The coin is composed of cupronickel, a durable metal alloy made of 75% copper and 25% nickel, giving it a silver-like appearance. It weighs approximately 5 grams and has a diameter of 21.4 millimeters. While these specifications are standard, rare error coins may display slight differences in weight, thickness, or design placement, making them instantly stand out to sharp-eyed collectors. The obverse of the 1999 20-pence coin features the third definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. This design shows the Queen wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a notable feature that distinguishes coins from this era. The detailed portrait captures a regal yet modern look for the Queen, and this design remained in use on British coinage until 2015. On the reverse side, the coin features the iconic Tudor rose design created by William Gardner, a timeless symbol of England's heritage that remained a staple on 20-pence coins until 2008. The possibility of rare variations of the 1999 20-pence coin has sparked excitement in the collecting community, with treasure hunters, coin dealers, and enthusiasts eagerly searching their change in hopes of discovering one. Stories of collectors finding rare coins worth thousands, or even millions, have fueled interest in the search for this elusive piece. It's possible that rare error versions are still out there, hiding in forgotten coin jars, old wallets, or tucked away in collections that have never been closely examined. For those who believe they may have found a rare 1999 20-pence coin, professional authentication is crucial. Renowned grading services such as NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company, and PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, can accurately assess a coin's condition, verify its authenticity, and determine its potential value. If verified as a rare error coin, such pieces can command significant prices at major auctions, with eager collectors willing to